We are up from a nap. We just had some McDonald's. France and Sweden are about to start right now for the FIFA game. Woo! Now this girl don't get Coke very much in her life, and I probably shouldn't do it now, but I am going to. You gotta chew, 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 eat your french fries, and then we'll have some soda. I will give you some Coca-Cola there. Gonna rock her socks. And it's just like, you know what? I be like, I need to create these experiences. My girls got to know. Yummy, yummy. Yummy in that tummy, tummy. Yes, baby. Let's open up these boxes now. This one feels really light. Like, what is in here? Okay. Alright. What's this? I have a new apron. Alright, very cute. You want some Wawa? Wawa. Water. Water. Pretty sure I got my mama to thank for that. Oh, a magnet wall. Some sponges. Alright. Just had lunch, she had some water. And we're chill right now. Let me see if she want a cookie. Want a cookie? Cookie? You want a Nana cookie? Cookie? No? No cookie? Thank you? Oh, okay. I thought you were saying no. Leave you 2.5 there. See what happens with that. A little Nana cookies. I'm just putting stuff away. You guys can't see me over here by the sink. Hey. Chew. Chew, 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 my love, chew. Alright, Miss Girl, there you go. Yeah, I don't think we're messing with these cookies. Not even gonna put them back in the bag. Let's open up this apron, see what this is looking like. Ooh, it's got some, looks like it's a jaguar, or maybe cheetah? Doesn't look like a leopard. And some deer, and some tall trees, some birds. I like this. Got a, ooh, I like the things at the top. It's got like little pin holders. I like that. Hey, Mom. I think I might see what you're doing here. Go back on the back. Go over here. We don't play over here. No. We don't play in the kitchen. Okay? Alright, I've got to block her off now because she's bringing her toys over here. Which I understand. Mommy's over here, you want to be over here, but nope. Gotta make her understand that it's not okay. Alright, let's try this apron out. this is nice. It's a little, or it's just a little pocket. Oh, it looks like it's separate though. It looks like a little pen holder. And then it's got some pockets, good pockets. All right, but yeah, this is really nice. I do like this. It feels really sturdy, really good. Thanks, Mom. I think I'm gonna use this white one for cleaning. That's originally why I had it on, because I wanted to clean with it. So I will just tie this up so it's ready for cleaning. Today's the last day of the month. 4 weeks exactly. So we got 4 weeks. Ooh, I wonder if this girl still has her Instagram story up. You guys know, like on Instagram, how they do the last of the month stuff. No, her story is gone. I liked her thing. Or was it somebody else? Darn it. All right, now, what to do? I always get in these little moments where I'm like, okay, what's the next thing to move on to? I do want to get over there and play with her, but I would like to just kind of clear stuff out the way. So let me keep on moving and doing that. I think later on this week, there is another story time, but I think instead of another story time, me and Courtney, the other mom that I've been meeting up with and hanging with, me and her are going to do something else instead. I would like to get back more into like walking, and also me and her were talking. Oh, I need to show you these really quick. Hold that thought. I need to show you this. When we went to that bakery, you guys saw it. Y'all see that? Oh my God. No, don't drop it. Oh my God. And then the garlic thyme knot. I already ate half of it. It was worth eating, and I can't wait to eat the rest of it. I might just eat it as a snack tonight, shit, cause you know, girl be getting the munchies. So I be needing a little late night snack a day. Just a little something, and I feel like after being pregnant, it ain't even got to be a little something sweet. Actually, it need to be something salty and something sweet now. Update. I feel like I might have told you guys I would give you an update on this. So they would be better if it was a milk chocolate. Like, you know, the chocolate that I can compare this to is the Kroger. Are those the Kroger? The shortbread cookies with the chocolate bottom and the squiggly chocolate lines on top. If I can tag it somewhere up in here, I will. But those cookies, they must be made with by the same company or something, because that's the same chocolate that it tastes like. It would be better if it was like a Hershey's chocolate. Because I mean, like, I feel like when you're eating something salty and sweet, I feel like that's where the whole idea comes from. Like, shit, I had a piece of chocolate and then shit, I had munched on a Ritz cracker. Damn, that's a good combination. I feel like those need to, I feel like collaborations just need to be made. Some things just need to be, hey, shit, we don't even gotta know if who cut the check to who. I just believe a different type of chocolate should have been made with this. Nonetheless, they are good. They can be better. I won't be buying again. You know what? I think I just might have to, you know, just break down and get the new glitzy and glammy toys, because, or maybe she's just not fucking with these toys right now. I don't know. She's just in her own world doing her own thing in front of the mirror, in front of her room. You know, she's got her clothes But it's just like I've got things out that I can't like react to. She can't get a big reaction out of me. But also just letting her like be in her world, explore, do your thing. So yeah. Did I close the door to the bathroom? I think I did. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this up since I'm wearing it. But like I said, let me go ahead and finish. I'll catch up with you guys. Me and her are just gonna sit over here, chill, watch soccer, vibe out. Hopefully play with toys. Build some blocks. That's what we're gonna do. Build some blocks. Let's do it. Okay. Ready? Jump, jump, jump. Ready? Jump, jump, jump. Ready? Jump, jump, jump. Hey y'all, we are back from baby gym. My lips are so dry. I need to be drinking more water, but you see what I got in my hand, right? Right. So, like I said, we are back from baby gym. That's where we were this morning, just getting her wiggles and jiggles and moves all out. And I am gonna do the things. Like, you know, one thing is that she can fall asleep in the car with the music blasting, right? So I got the TV on, I got the Fifth Element playing right now. I'm gonna be in the bathroom cleaning up her bathroom, and then we'll see how far I'll get. I'll start on my bathroom. But you hear me talking, like she has her sound machine on, and like yeah, right. Because it's like you can go to sleep with things happening around you, you know what I'm saying? Like even when like my mom was here, it's like I'm not trying to be overly loud, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to be out here, you know, screaming, but it's just like noise can be happening, you know. I've been having her the Google Home white noise playing, but it's just like it's so loud in here. I can't have my headphones on, you know. It's just too much, overstimulating. That's how it feels. So it's just like, how can I have constant sound going and not it be overstimulating, you know, like, and also trying to move through it, to clean, to wash, to keep doing things, you know, because when she's napping is literally my time to move around and to get stuff done. It's just like, I can't be scared, you know what I'm saying? And it's just like, yeah, if the nap is short, the nap is short, but that's not what I'm hoping for. God has really been doing things subtly. Like, I prayed about a couple of things, and like, I don't even know if I should tell you. Like, I prayed about something last week, and then we were at story time this week, and like, there it was, and I'm like, is something wrong with her? Is she okay? But maybe, and I was just like, what? Okay, I remember that prayer. So I'm asking, I'm trusting in God. And sometimes I even feel like when there's stuff I need to get done, he is on my side, you know. It may be like, okay, I get to the end and it's just like, okay, yeah, nap time, you know, I've held off. Nap time is about to be over. But I'm hopeful that, again, I keep on moving, sticking to the plan of get shit done, that God is on my side. Like, okay, girl, stick to it. Let's get it done. So, with that being said, let's start getting stuff done. I'm gonna start the washing machine, put a load in, start on her bathroom. Let's do it.
wash machine and she's sitting up. But she just put her head back there. Yeah, I think she's waking up, so I'm gonna put up this baby gate and then I'm gonna take a break and chill with her. Yeah. One of the few last places in the world I probably actually have.
Yeah, what's up in the bush?